Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. Our next chapter, Suratul Baqarah, ayat number 16 to 20. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين. Translation: These are they who have purchased a road for guidance, so their commerce was profitless and they were not guided. Ayat number 17. مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. Translation: Their likeness has the likeness of one who kindled a fire. Then when it lighted all around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, so they could not see. Ayat number 18. Summun bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. They are deaf, dumb and blind, so they return not to the right path. Ayat number 19. أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. Or like a rainstorm from the sky, wherein is darkness, thunder, and lightning. They thrust their finger in their ears to keep out the stinging thunderclap for fear of death. But Allah ever encompasses the disbelievers. Allah will gather them all together. Ayat number 20. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير. The lightning almost snatches away their sun whenever it flashes for them. They walk therein, and when darkness covers them, they stand still. And if Allah willed, He would have taken away their hearing and their sight. Certainly, Allah has power over all things.